It's amazing how many photos we've taken over the years. Baby pictures, weddings, to vacations, to proms. My side, my husband's side. This. This project was great because my son was there and Grandma was there, and Grandma was able to bring her photos, and some of these photos actually went back to the 1900s, early 1900s. Aunts, uncles, my grandma, my great-grandma.
She is this one right here.
She's beautiful. Decades of family history. There's just this huge fear that if I don't preserve these, you never know what could happen. And there could be a flood, there could be a fire, and all my family history is gone. We've kind of been putting it off for a long time. I was shocked at the quality of the photos, and it was fast. Now we use it to digitize everything. Bank statements, insurance documents, to my kids' art. To know that all those memories sat in my garage for years, and now they're all saved, and I can share them with my family forever.